down the barrel. Hi, I'm Zach Robinson.
Name's Christopher Allen.
Yeah, I'm Tucker Fallon.
Caleb DePaul. My name is Johnny.
Tyler Larson.
Nicole Vagel.
Steven Fawn.
Hi, my name's Ayub.
Hi, my name is Nimin Seb.
Grant Newkirk.
Hey everyone, I'm Ayub.
My name is Kim.
My name is Jack Brisbane and I'm a 2025 intern.
My name's Louis Matea and I'm a 2025 intern.
First impressions here have been pretty good. I was a little bit nervous about company work culture, but I was welcomed right off the bat. People are super cool here.
I mean, everything is pretty new to me. I took a cybersecurity boot camp and I worked a lot with Linux. It's fun here. We made some friends.
I worked at a data center for a year and a half before working here. Honestly, just feels a lot more casual and chill, and in comparison it feels like a bit. Let's try to go into it relaxed and ready to learn.
Yeah! I actually applied online. I saw a post on Indeed, to be honest. When I heard about it, I was like, maybe an internship program? Okay, let's try it out. Let's see what I got to do. And they told us that I'd be interviewing Ethan, the CEO, and I was like, oh, okay, that's pretty awesome. So
something that surprised me is that it's more casual to work here. Kind of enjoying it. It's not too crazy.
I didn't have a lot of experience before coming in. It's probably more immersive. I get to interact with people and I'm getting paid to learn.
Nagios is kind of confusing at first, but the more you learn, it just gets a lot easier with time. It's beautiful.
We've been learning XI and log server, and we're going to have a presentation on that in these coming days. So I'll be talking about issues I ran into, things that I think could improve, and just my overall user experience with that.
the last couple of days, I've learned a lot more about subnetting, because there's a lot of the stuff with the IP addresses and everything that you kind of have to know how to bind everything together.
I tried to monitor some virtual machines on Nagios XI, to monitor a printer, and monitor websites.
It's surprising it's really easy to use XI. I just like the whole part of the day. It's just collaborating. It's just nice to get along with everybody.
The culture has actually been really, really solid. Overall, people have been really engaging. People have been really helpful. It seems really chill. I've been right at home so far.
I've made what I'd call decent friends so far, and I'm hoping to build those relationships moving forward and rely on them to help me be the best employee and version of myself I can be.
I just really like exploring the software, seeing what I can do. I'm looking forward to the stuff that I'm gonna get to write going into the future weeks.
I'm having fun. The other Ninterns, they're pretty epic. It's always a good time coming in to work, so they're down to help whenever I need anything.
I feel a strong sense of camaraderie already with the fellow interns.
Here, everybody is new and nobody knows everything. You can make a mistake and somebody else is gonna help you, so that's what I like.
We have people from different backgrounds, different cultures. I like it so much.